Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how I make coconut milk at home with only two ingredients. So let's get started. I have these fresh, clean and peeled coconuts ready with me. Before you start the process, make sure the coconuts are fresh and on room temperature. Chop the coconuts roughly into small pieces. If you have coconut flakes or blended coconuts ready with you, you can also use them for this recipe. But make sure the coconuts are on room temperature and not taken out from the fridge. Now add the chopped coconuts to the blender with around half cup of lukewarm water and blend it for around 20 to 30 seconds. Let's check onto the texture of the coconut. After the coconuts are blended, take a muslin cloth and empty the blended coconut jar into it. Next, you need to squeeze out all the coconut milk properly out of the blended coconuts. I wanted thick coconut milk because I was using it for my mango puddings. But if you want thin coconut milk, you can add a little more lukewarm water and coconut to the blender and repeat the entire process once again. Pour the coconut milk into a glass and your coconut milk is ready to use. Do give this recipe a try for fresh coconut milk. And if you enjoyed the recipe, do like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon again. Thank you.